Good morning, everybody. It's bright and early, 7 a.m. here, and I got some pretty big news. I just reached 4,000 watch hours, and now I'm eligible to be monetized on YouTube. That's probably one of the biggest milestones a YouTuber can have. And I just want to make a video thanking you for all the support you guys have given me. It means everything to me, and I don't even know how to put it all in words. This is probably one of my greatest achievements in life so far. I mean, getting a job is like, everybody gets a job. But how many people become a YouTube partner? I don't even know anybody. And I definitely couldn't have gotten here without the support that you guys have shown me. I've gotten to know some of you in the Discord. By the way, if you guys want to chat with me or with other people in the community, make sure to click the link in the description. And lastly, to show my gratitude, I wanted to do a little giveaway. I'm doing it on my Twitter, so go check it out in the description. I'll link to the actual post. And the winner will get this book right here. This book is called Code Complete. I'd honestly say it's one of the most thorough coding books there is. It goes through like everything you need to know about coding as a professional. It's one of the resources that I've used for a long time. I've recommended it to my friends. They all bought it. They all enjoyed it. And hopefully I could help at least one of you. I know it's not much, but I wanted to do at least something. But that's it. I just wanted to thank all of you for all the support you've shown me. And I hope you've seen me grow since the very beginning. As I look back to one of the first videos I made, my presenting skills and just video skills overall have gotten a little bit better, I think. And I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. I still want to become an even better presenter, be able to structure videos better to make it easier for you to understand. And things like this, like being monetized, will just keep pushing me to keep improving and improving. Also have some very special things coming up in the next month or so stay tuned for those. And once again, I want to thank you all for the support. It means the world to me. And now on to the next milestone.